Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will perform a structural analysis and deflection calculation for a bracket geometry. So this is a L-shaped bracket geometry, and in that, suppose this geometry there is a 4 holes in the bottom side and this side is suppose 2 holes. So these 4 holes, nothing but suppose this side, okay, so this is the fixed side and this side is a vertical side. I have to apply pressure here. Okay. And so there is some given data. So given data is elasticity is given, then Poisson's ratio is given, then pressure is 500 megapascal, and let's assume density is 7850 kg per meter cube. Okay, so let's start. Open ANSYS software, go to preferences, structural. Okay, in this tutorial I have to directly import this file in a parasolid form. So choose your directory and this parasolid job directly import here. So go to preprocessor, element type, add edit element, solid type. Okay, after that you can use a brick node, then close. Material property, then material model, structural, elastic, then isotropic, then modulus of elasticity is 214, gigapascal, so you have to convert to megapascal. Then here is a value is a 0.3 or 0.27, you can whatever you can choose. Okay, click on OK. Density is a 7850 kg per meter cube, so dimension is a mm, so e raised to minus 9 kg per mm cube. Click on OK, go to material and exit. After that click on meshing, size control, go to manual size, global size, value is a 0.3, number of divisions, click on OK. After that meshing, go to mesh tool, here is a mesh, in that mesh go to volume, in that free, click on a pick all, close. So meshing is done now. Now apply load and boundary conditions. So click on a plot control, here is a volume, go to plot control, style, here solid model facet, and change orientation of the style is a wireframe to normal faceting. Click on OK. Again go to plot, replot it. Okay, that's it. Go to load, define load, apply structural displacement on area. So this area is a fix. Click on this. Okay, so this 4 hole I have to constraint here. So displacement of this value is a 0. Now go to back side. So change a view here, back view. So this side is apply a pressure is 500 megapascal. So go to pressure on area. So see here I have to choose area, but there is a change another side of the area. So reset it, go to plot control, then numbering, go to area numbers, click on OK. Again go to back side. So area is at 25. So go to directly on area. You can directly choose here area is at 25. Okay, so see here there is area number is a 14. So reset, area is a 25. Okay, value is a 500. Okay, that's it. Then go to solution, solve current load step, click on OK. Yes, execution is done and solution is also done. After that, go to general post processing, go to here, plot result, deform shape, deform undeformed shape. Okay, you can this geometry capture now from here, image capture. Go to contour plot, nodal solution, degree of freedom solution, displacement vector sum, click on OK. So this is a displacement. Then go to element solution and stress, one misses stress theory, click on OK. Now go to again nodal solution, go to stress, that here is the one misses stress theory. Okay, so see here, here is a 1 second. Okay, so here is the stress is apply, maximum stress apply. Then next one is go to again nodal solution and go to total mechanical strain. Again apply one misses total mechanical strain. Click on OK. So this is a strain. Then go to plot control, animate, deform result. First I have to calculate deform solution, degree of freedom solution with respect to z direction, uz. Okay. So this is a first animation. Close now. Go to plot control, animate, deform result. Then go to stress. Stress on a one misses. Click on one misses and OK. So this is a stress animation. Now after this animation is done, go to list result. Then go to nodal solution, degree of freedom solution, displacement vector sum and OK. So here is a number of node, there is a number of displacement. So this is a tabulated form. Similarly, you can go to again nodal solution and change the stress value and choose here one misses stress and see here is the number of stress value. Okay, thank you.